Okay, this is a Royal Aristocrat typewriter. I'm not exactly sure the year of this one. I'll probably look it up, depending on, you know, what the, I guess, model number is. This typewriter is super cool. I didn't think so at first. I was like, it's a little grimy. It does still have some, like, white stuff on it. Looks like whiteout of some sort. But as I got into this, I decided this is just such a cool typewriter. It's got lots of interesting features. One, the biggest one, is it's called a Magic Trademark Margin. Magic Trademark Margin. So this thing, it puts the margin wherever you want it. So if I went, so I want the margin over here, I would actually push this button for the left margin and this one for the right margin. And I would push this and listen closely. It snaps and it sends over the margin to this exact spot. Same with the right margin, and this all works still on it. So right now, if I want to have this be the end of the margin, I'll put it right here. Listen. Don't know if you can hear that, but so now it's really tight quarters because I put them both in this spot and that spot. In order to, I haven't decided if you can put that back or if they would ever shoot back the other way. I do know, I figured out, like, if you want to put them back, you have to open the back and the two margins are in here. You just push down and move it over to where you want it. So that's the way you have to do it. So they're spring loaded to where they'll go in, but I'm not sure if they'll go out on their own. I can't figure that out, but you just move it over by yourself. So I just put the margin way over, here and here, so that now it's back to there and there. So super cool. I've never seen that before on a typewriter. As well, what else do we got? This moves it to where it doesn't have the clicking. You can go to anywhere in the line. Here's the line spacing over here. What else? This is, that's just the carriage release, and the carriage release over here as well. What else? Okay, my favorite thing on this whole thing. I know it's gonna sound super cheesy, but I was trying to figure out how to pull the lid up. I'm like pulling, but it's not going anywhere, so I wasn't pulling very hard. I'm looking in there. I saw there were hinges back here, so it should pop up like this. Then I had to look all the way back in there, and there's a mechanism that I pulled out, and it worked. Now here's the special moment that took me a long time to figure out, maybe a minute or so. You push the royal button, or the royal symbol. So the royal symbol is actually the latch release, which I think is super awesome. I've never seen that before either. So there's just a lot of things about this that I like, that I've never seen in a typewriter. You've got your touch control right here, so hard all the way to loose. You've got your ribbon reverse button right here. And I think that's all. Oh, I don't know what that is. I'm guessing, what is that? I'm not sure what this is. It shows a red thing whenever it's on and a black when it's off. Oh, that might be that's the, yeah, that is the black and red knob, which I've never seen inside a machine either. So if you want to go black, push it forward. If you want to go red, this is to change the ribbon. Right now there's only a black ribbon on there, so obviously that doesn't matter. But that's how you change that. So close that up. All in all, this is just a cool typewriter. It actually feels great too, typing. I never knew really Royal made good machines. Obviously they probably do, but I've kind of wavered off of them, or I'm not interested in them mostly. But the more I get into this one, the more I've decided I just like it a lot. I also dig just kind of the look. Now it still does have some whiteout on it in different places, but I kind of like it adds to the flavor. So yeah, anyways, let's do a type on it. I got some clean paper. Everything just works really good on the thing. I'm guessing here's the paper release. Smooth, pretty much there too. Okay, I'm gonna start on black. Here is also the backspace, obviously. Tabs are easy, I forgot to mention that. Tabs are just these little bitty guys in here. You just push those to move them around. And those are the tabs, which I like those over other kinds anyways. This little guy moves around wherever you want to put the paper to. I just go kind of wherever. Anyways, I'm going to start off with the black. I'm going to go down the line. Now caps is here, caps lock is here. So, and then the red setting, which it's not going to show up. Oh, see, I want to pull up. That's what I want. Gotta push this button. The red setting would be there, and I would type in red there too, but it's not going to be red because I don't have red in there. But it does work because I can tell it's going up further. This is moving up higher. So yeah, this is the Royal Aristocrat typewriter. I'll show you kind of the type setting. Let's see here if I can't get this. Let's see. Or the type. So yeah, it looks really good. I would not complain about that at all. So yeah, all in all, just a super great typewriter. I'm tempted to keep it, so we'll see. If this video's up and it's not for sale, then I kept it, and I just wanted to put it out there. I really dig this. I also like the kind of look on the outside, just kind of a pretty, whatever, kind of Smith Corona vibe. Anyways, that's that. The Royal Aristocrat. Thanks, guys. See y'all later.